how to buy SentraNet token. So this token came under the symbol of Sent. So before going on by this token, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or a coin expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, this token is available, or it will be available on Mexc. So if you want to buy this token on your Mexc account, what you need to do is just open a new window on site Mexc like that. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account in Mexc to benefit from your rewards. Now after that, click here on the search bar and type Sent like that. Now so that's what you need to do is just scroll down and you will be able to find this announcement. Now click on it. Now make sure to read all of that announcement, but what most important of it is that the deposit is opened. Now the trading in Innovation Zone, it will be released in 13 July in this time, and at the withdrawal it will be in this time. So stay tuned until this time to be able to trade this token. So I will just give you an example if this token it will be live on Mexc. Now I will just give an example by Bitcoin. So after that, what you need to do, type the token name, for example Bitcoin, in the search bar, and now go to spot. You will be able to find this pair that have USDT. Now click on it and wait a few seconds to load this page. Now what you need to do is just type here how much you want to buy, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. And now this is the total that you should pay using the USDT. And after that, click on buy Sent. In a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to find your token onto your account. So this is how to buy Sent token. It's easy and simple. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.